Let's try part in next page, page number 130. There are two kinds of problems, A and B. In A is encircle the equivalent fractions on the right side. I choose three problems in this part. Question number 1 and question 3 and question 5. Then let's solve it out from the question number 1. The given fraction is 6/7 and we have to encircle the equivalent fractions on the right side. These 5 fractions. Then let's check one by one. The first given one is 12/14. We have to do the exactly same thing in both parts, numerator and denominator, to make the equivalent fraction. Then, what we have to do to make 12 with 6? We have to multiply 2. Then, what we have to do to make 14 with 7? We multiply 2 to get this one. Then we multiply 2 in numerator part and we multiply 2 in denominator part. We did exactly the same thing in both parts. So we can say 12/14 is the equivalent fraction as 6/7. So let's circle this first one. And the next one is 18/21 is the equivalent fraction as the given one. Let's find what we did both in this part. To make 18 with 6, we have to multiply 3. To make 21 with 7, we have to multiply also 3. So, we did same thing in both parts. So, is this equivalent to fraction as the given one? Yes. Let's try to solve the next one. We have to multiply 4 by 6 to make 24. And we have to multiply 7 by 5 to make 35. Did we do same thing in these parts? No. The number we multiplied in both parts are different. So, this is not the equivalent fraction. Next one, 30/35. We have to multiply 5 in numerator and we have to multiply 5 in denominator. So, the multiplied number are same, so we can say this is equivalent fraction. And the next one, 36/42, we have to multiply 6 by 6 to make 36, and we have to multiply 7 by 6 to make 42. So, in the last one, we also did the same thing, multiplying 6 in both parts. So, we can say this is also the equivalent fraction. So, we encircled the 4 fractions given on the right side as equivalent fractions with the given one. So, let's move to next question, question number 3. Question number 3 is to find the equivalent fraction as 2/7. So let's do the same thing we did in question number 1. We have to multiply 2 by 2.5 to make 5. We have to multiply 7 by 2 to make 14. So we multiply different numbers and we can say this fraction 4 over 14 is not the equivalent fraction as 2 over 7. The next one, 4 over 14. We have to multiply 2 by 2 to make 4, and we have to multiply 7 by 2 to make 14. So we multiply the same number in both parts, so we can say 4 over 14 is the equivalent fraction. The next one, 6 over 21. We have to multiply 2 by 3 to make 6. And we have to multiply 6 by 3 to make 21. Also in this fraction, we multiply the same number 3 in both numerator part and denominator part. So we can say 6 over 21 is also the equivalent fraction as the given one. The fourth given fraction, 8 over 24. We have to multiply 2 by 4 to make 8. And we have to multiply 3.42 blah 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 to make 24 with 7. Actually, I calculated this in advance. So anyway, these numbers multiplied in numerator and denominator part are not same. So we can say this is not the equivalent fraction. And the next one, 10 over 35. We have to multiply 2 by 5 to make 10, and we have to multiply 7 by 5 to make 35. So the number multiplied in both parts are same, so we can conclude this number as the equivalent fractions. So let's go into next question, number 5. So it will be easier to find the equivalent fraction as you guys treat already two same kind of questions in question number 1 and question number 3. So, is 14 over 16 is the equivalent fraction as 7 over 8? We have to multiply 7 by 2 to make 14 and multiply 8 by 2 to make 14. No, sorry, to make 16. So we multiply the same number, so 14 over 16 is the equivalent fraction. And next, 21 over 24. We have to multiply 7 by 3 to make 21 and multiply 8 by 3 to make 24. So these numbers are same. So this fraction will be the equivalent fraction as the given one. And the next,